Okay, so here I have this video, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna first gonna have to click on here, select, make sure you have select effects control, click on your video, and then here we're gonna have to go to effects. Here in the search bar, we're gonna have to search for 3D, and then just drag and drop this effect. This one here, basic 3D. Okay, and now we can go here, and I can swivel, I can tilt like this, and then I can increase the distance to image. And now I can go back here and add and write, sorry, offset. Drag and drop this one here onto your video, but make sure you move it above basic 3D. Now here I can offset this, something like this, and I can also, you can increase the scale from from motion. Also click on motion and then just drag. It's actually simple like this. All right, and now we can blend to original. Also shift this like so. So we don't have any empty corners. And then now is at this point, and we can add a keyframe where we changed here. So we added that. Actually, here we don't need a keyframe, so I'm just gonna reset this. Sorry. So if I don't need a keyframe here, I'm gonna remove this one. So I'm gonna add a keyframe here, here, and then here, here, and then here I'll move a couple of keyframes. Once we are here, I'm just gonna reset this. You can create even a better one because this is like goes like this and already have like this effect. Now, as you can see, it's pretty slow, but can make this faster, you know, but I like this slow. And now here, you know, maybe you want, instead of like resetting, because I click on this button here to reset, you can just change this. So instead of like, you know, now it's going like this, now is maybe changing this, you know, is actually zooming in even more, and then is tilting changes from this to the other around here. Now, as you can see, it added also a keyframe here because we added at the beginning of the video. And now to make this look even better, you can add some spectacular highlight. Looks more realistic. Now I know you can, you know, do much more to this because, you know, that's very simple. In my opinion, you can make this look much more professional, but it's just gonna take more time, of course. And if you want something simple, basic, this does the job. Now, however, if you want, you can also add some other effects to this 3D effect. Now, if you want for a better effect, you can add a lens distortion. And then here, you can just play with the settings. And or like this. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.